Hi guys, Crystal from Merlin here, and I'm here to demonstrate how easy and convenient it is to program in a Merlin Wireless Security Keypad. This accessory is a great addition to your garage, especially if you don't want to carry things around when, say, going for a jog or taking the dog for a walk. The water-resistant unit gives you password-protected access from the outside of your garage. It has some features that will really improve your garage door access. Let's get into it. First, for installation. On the back, you'll see two installation points, one keyhole mount and a hole for screw mounting into a wall, for gyprock, brick fixing, whatever's applicable to your application. To access these mounts, on the front of the unit, simply remove the front battery cover, remove the battery, and fix as needed. The next step is to learn your keypad into your opener. You'll need to locate your Learn button on the motor, which on this motor, the Silent Drive Elite, is an S button. Simply tap the button and it will put you into a Learn mode for 30 seconds. Next step is to program your 4-digit PIN into your keypad. And then hold down the Enter button until your opener flashes. Your PIN is now set. If for any reason you need to change your PIN, all you need to do is enter your initial PIN back in, hold down the hash button, and then re-enter your new PIN. Hit the Enter button, and your new PIN will be saved once your motor flashes. Let's try the new PIN. Your keypad is now reprogrammed. Another feature of your Merlin Wireless Keypad is setting a temporary PIN. To set a temporary PIN, enter in your 4-digit PIN number and hold in the asterisk button. Your motor will flash 3 times. You can now set your temporary PIN and then hold in the Enter button. Your motor will flash 4 times. Now that you set your temporary PIN, you want to determine as to whether you want that to operate for a certain amount of time or a certain amount of openings. To set for time, simply enter in the hour amount, say 48 hours, 48, followed by the asterisk button. For openings, enter the number of openings, say 10, followed by the hash button. You've now set your temporary PIN to operate for a certain amount of time or openings. To erase the keypad out of the Merlin motor, all you need to do is locate your Learn button and hold it down for 10 seconds. When the second round of flashes come through, all remotes and the keypad will now be deleted out of the motor. Thanks for your time, guys. If you do have any other questions, please feel free to contact Merlin.